Good morning, gentlemen. How are all of you down there? Down there? Oh, it's just an expression. R.N. Harris, Inc.? What's that all about? Oh, I'm incorporating myself. Incorporate? Yes, that's when an individual forms his own. I know what it means. I'm just surprised to see you be doing it. Oh, well, I mean, I'd be a fool not to take advantage of the tax sheltering opportunities, the pension and write-off benefits and all.
Just never heard of a police officer incorporating himself before.
Hey, I've got manuscripts and screenplays laying around with several different publishers. I just don't want to get caught getting a 5-figure cash advance and having no place to shelter it.
Oh, well, that would be a problem. You think somebody from your company could get that?
Previous address?
623 Hudson. Oh, I feel tight all over.
Hold on. I got something that'll make you feel real great.
Yeah, right. Barney, got a disturbance over the East Side Terminal.
Take Dietrich.
Right. Got a call, Dietrich. It's you and me.
Oh, joint venture.
Hmm?
It's corporate humor.
I suppose. Okay, you want to make a statement? Hey, come on, I'm talking to you. Hey. Warren, come here.
What's the matter?
Well, it was all right just a second ago.
Yeah, let's get him on
I was asking questions.
Come on, emergency medical.
Did you feel Paul?
Come on, emergency medical.
Hey, you give him some of this. It's a great stimulant.
I think he's dead.
No. It ain't that good.